Focus isn't peace. It's war. Against distraction. Against weakness. Against the noise inside your own head. In the shadows of your mind there is a voice. It whispers, "You're wasting your time. Every second you lose is fuel for someone else's empire." Don't let your lack of focus become their victory. Focus is not a mood. It's a discipline, a decision, a blade. In a world drowning in notifications, cheap dopamine, and noise, the one who can focus becomes a god among insects. You think you're multitasking? No, you're fragmenting your mind, killing your potential. You see, the world belongs to the obsessed. The distracted are nothing more than pawns. Marie Curie? She ignored the noise of doubters and pushed through endless nights in her lab, surrendering everything for a breakthrough that changed humanity twice. Tesla slept 2 hours a night to work longer in solitude. Bruce Lee trained himself to have razor-sharp focus. Every strike calculated. Every movement controlled. You want their power? Then suffer for it. Here's how. Number 1, the isolation method. Build a space where nothing enters. No notifications. No noise. Just you and the task. This is your battleground. Use your phone only in case of emergencies. Number 2, the flow state. Flow state is a mental zone where you're fully immersed in a task, losing track of time and self-awareness. In flow state, productivity, creativity, and satisfaction peak naturally without distraction. Try to stay in a flow state for 6 to 8 hours a day, your success will be guaranteed. Number 3, anchoring. Create a trigger, a snap, a candle, a song, a scent, anything. Train your brain to instantly pour its attention the moment it senses it. Number 4, dopamine detox. Starve distractions. No short-form content. No endless scrolling. Feed your brain silence. Focus fills the void. Focus is strength. In silence you see what others miss. In stillness you strike with precision. Focused minds build empires. Launch revolutions. Crush chaos. When your peers are distracted, you will be 10 steps ahead. Silent. Lethal. Inevitable. When you cling to focus you become dangerous. You become unstoppable. You become the person others fear or envy but never understand. The future does not belong to the distracted. It does not belong to those chasing dopamine hits. It belongs to the focused predator, who sees one goal and burns everything else to ash. You want that power? Then cut the noise. Kill the weakness. And focus, like your life depends on it. Do you want to be the prey or the predator?